An alternative way to simulate gears in Solidworks is to use the belt and pulley function. So to use this, you just simply click the tool, select the circle, and then you cannot select the circle that is tangent. It won't work. You must have an inner circle on the second gear in order for this to work. Those two selected, press enter, and now you have a pulley system. So, and again, for this to work, you have to have spacing between the two pulleys for the belt to operate and to run the larger gear. So if you wanted to run two gears of the same size that were tangent, you would have to have two circles inside of those gears for the pulley to run on. Hope this helps. Thanks.